Welcome to my channel Kids Idea TV. Like, subscribe and share my video.
ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଆଜି ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଶିଖିବା ABCD. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for frog, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jar, K for king, L for lamb, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for X for X-ray, Y for yak, G for zebra. तो साଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇब କରନ୍ତୁ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।